Hello, and welcome to Speak Slow English. I'm your host, Emily, and I am so happy you are here to practice with me today. This podcast is a special place for you to improve your English speaking. We will use a technique called shadowing. It's very simple. I will say a sentence, and then you will repeat it. You will copy my pronunciation and rhythm. It's like singing along to a song, but with speaking. Today's topic is our daily morning routine. We will talk about the simple things we do every morning. Remember, the most important thing is to speak out loud. Don't be shy. Find a quiet place where you feel comfortable. Ready? Let's start. We will begin with our first section, listen and repeat. I will say the sentence, and then you say it. I wake up at 7 in the morning. Good. Let's try again. I wake up at 7 in the morning. My alarm clock rings loudly. My alarm clock rings loudly. I turn off the alarm. I turn off the alarm. Then I stretch my arms and legs. Then I stretch my arms and legs. I get out of bed slowly. Your turn. I get out of bed slowly. Great job! You are doing very well. Let's move to our next section, Speak with me. This time, try to say the sentences at the same time as me. Let's try it. I opened the curtains to let the sunlight in. Now let's say it together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. I opened the curtains to let the sunlight in. Wonderful! Let's do another. I go to the kitchen. Ready to speak with me? I go to the kitchen. I need to drink a glass of water. Now with me. I need to drink a glass of water. After that, I make a cup of coffee. After that, I make a cup of coffee. Or maybe you prefer tea, right? So let's try this one. I make a warm cup of tea. I make a warm cup of tea. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. Together now. I love the smell of coffee in the morning. I sit down and enjoy my drink. With me, I sit down and enjoy my drink. You are doing so well. Let's take a small break. If you enjoy practicing English with me, please like this episode and subscribe to Speak Slow English. It really helps. And I have a little homework for you. After this episode, try to write one sentence in English in the comments below. It's great practice. Okay, are you ready to continue? Let's talk about getting ready for the day. This section is called Try This Sentence. I will say a sentence and you repeat it. First, I take a shower. Your turn. First, I take a shower. The warm water feels nice. One more time, the warm water feels nice. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Now you. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I get dressed for work. Then I get dressed for work. I choose my clothes for the day. Your turn. I choose my clothes for the day. I eat a healthy breakfast. Again, I eat a healthy breakfast. Maybe some toast and eggs? Or fruit and yogurt? I am ready to start my day. I am ready to start my day. Now, let's continue with our morning routine. Let's talk about breakfast. Excellent work today. You have practiced so much. Now, it's your turn to tell me something. This is our listener practice section. Tell me in the comments, what time do you wake up? Or you can tell me, do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? I would love to read your answers and learn about your morning routine. It's a great way to use the English you practiced today. We have reached the end of our episode. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Remember, daily practice is the key to improvement. Even just a few minutes every day makes a big difference. You know, every little step helps you move forward on your English journey. I hope you will come back for the next episode. We will explore a new topic and learn more together. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.